family, and welcome back to the channel. So today is Sunday and we are headed to church. After church we will be going to go and do a little dumpster diving. It does look like it's about to rain, so hopefully the rain will hold out until we get from church. If not, we will go in the rain, but I don't want to have to go in the rain. I'm kind of dressed up a little nice today, and yeah, but I'm still going to the dumpster, guys. Alright, talk to you in a minute. Hey guys, as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but it is pouring down. Oh my gosh, it is pouring down and I'm supposed to go diving. So I'm going to turn this camera around. I'm going to leave the camera inside, but I am going to go and check these dumpsters. Okay guys, oh gosh, best time to dumpster dive when it's storming. Nobody gonna bother you. Nobody's gonna bother you because nobody's coming out there. I just grabbed that bag from the baby dumpster. I went and checked before church and it wasn't in there, so I'm assuming it's not just boxes. If not, we'll see when we get there, but when we get home. But hey, like I said, best time. Put my seatbelt on. Best time to check the dumpsters. Rain, snow, sleet, hail. People are not going to be out there bothering you. I mean, I hate for you to have to get in there, and it's better if you have a raincoat. Of course I don't. I just got from church. And I don't even have an umbrella with me. But we got a bag. Okay, family. I made it home with this bag. I am hoping something is in there, guys. I just tore a little piece off. It seemed like a shoe box or something box. I don't know. The other bag that I opened it up out there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm going to try to talk a little louder because I am outside. But it was just trash, like employees trash in there. So we're gonna go into this, get into this bag. It was just pouring down, raining as you've seen, and so I wanted to do this outside, just in case it's just trash, you know. And I'm sorry, I've got my arms all out and everything, but as you've seen, your girl got wet. So anyway, it could be just trash, guys. It could be just trash. It felt heavy, but they usually throw good stuff in there with bad stuff, so Just gonna open up. Nothing in this, no door jumper in there. Just like that, it could be all trash. I was all excited though. Let me put this on the floor. Empty Jordan box. Oh, here's one little dress. There we go. Guess it has like, oh, it has the little shorts with it. And so that's kind of how this this resale shop does. It throws in nice clothes with the trash, with their employee trash, which, you know, they're throwing in the trash. So that's why I do grab the bags that are seem like it's just trash, because sometimes it's not. Just see how they have their debris on there. But here's a little onesie. This is by Jessica Simpson. Oh, and they got a little headband. A little headband that goes with it. Have a costume accessories. There's some little shoes. Still in the paper. I mean in the plastic. Got a little headband in there. And here's another little shirt. There's a little cover over. Whatever it's called. Here is another little top. Oh, look at that. Baby blanket. Little receiving blanket. Now all this stuff will get washed, cleaned up before I donate this, but it's just showing you. I mean, it's in here with trash. Just, you know, whatever. Here is, look, little onesie. Well, out of all those bags, we did get some stuff in out of there. So, that did not, it wasn't in there. But we got these clothes, so I'm excited about all that. We have something. Just a little bit that wasn't going to the landfill now. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Never know what I'm going to get at the dumpster. I do it an everyday thing. I don't post a video every day because editing does take a while to get done. But I'm always trying to save stuff from the landfill. Always trying to be able to donate to other people. I'm sure some sweet babies are going to enjoy these items that I got today. Okay, family, as you can see, these clouds are going to start some more rain. I had to drop my daughter off at work, so I am going to go to our Aldi's and go and see if they have anything in there. Let's get out of here. Oh gosh. Yeah, that was brave. That time of the day right now, it's brave. Okay guys, I'm at the house and I grabbed these pineapples because they looked pretty fairly good, but now that I bring them home, I'm like, they don't look good. So, but I did see that they have a little recipe thing on here, how to make, oh, these are pineapple juice and pineapple and carrot juice. But now the I usually would even try to keep the leaves, but they look kind of bad themselves. So I'm going to throw this way, but I do want to show you the other item. Okay, guys, so this is the second item. I bet it does work. But look at this, a tower fan, which will be wonderful. My daughter would love it in her room. It is a 3-speed tower fan, and I don't know why they bring it back, but I'm sure it probably works. It's going to have to dry out since it rained, but I'm going to take it out, let it dry out, and then we'll plug it up. Okay, guys, I done brung this tower in, and I think it was more of the box that was wet than it is of the fan itself, but I'm going to go ahead and plug it up and see if this bad boy works. Yeah. Let's see if it works. Let's see, right now let's turn on the off. Let's see. We turned it off. Then we're gonna plug it up. Make sure that the cord is not wet. And let's stick it in. Okay. Oh, guys, we got air. Let me see. I need to put something in front of it where you can see that it is blowing. Okay, guys, I'm going to put this in front of it. Maybe it'll show. See, it is blowing. That's on low. Let's turn it up higher. That's on low. Let's put it. Ooh, y'all can probably hear that. Look at it. Wow. It works. It works. Let's see if I can get it to rotate. Oh, it rotates. Nice. I don't know why they got rid of it. Maybe somebody returned it. But look at that. The wind is blowing. My daughter is going to love this little tower in her room. She can have some cool breeze on her. My oldest is going to try to take it. But, oh my goodness, guys. This thing works wonderfully. Don't know why they threw it away, but I'm so thankful. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and do that so you can join this family. Hit me with a like, and I'll see you on this next dive.